Are you tired of double-checking every invoice email for mistakes? Learn to send perfect invoices in under 2 minutes. I'll walk you through the exact 8 steps to send an invoice via Gmail, from composing to sending. Start on the Gmail homepage, where you'll see your inbox. Then, click the Compose button in the upper left corner to open a new message. In the To field, type your client's email address. Now, add a clear subject line, like Invoice number 1001 for July, so they know what it's about. Click the paperclip icon at the bottom of the Compose window to attach a file. Browse to your invoice file on your computer, select it, and click Open to upload it. Wait for the attachment to finish uploading. Then double-check the recipient, subject, and attached invoice. Once everything looks good, go ahead and click Send. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.